Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take macro photos with the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So, as we know, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra has pretty powerful lenses, and we also have the macro lens. And to use this lens to take macro photos, what we're going to do is either point the camera at something that we want to detect and take a macro photo of, and this little plant icon will pop up on the far left of the screen. And as you can see, super macro is now on, and let's say I want to zoom in on this thing, and as you can see, it's in the process of switching lenses. And as you can see, a lot of details pop up, and this is the macro mode. And if we turn it off, so as you can see, macro is now off, and something does change. As you can see, it's a lot more detailed with super macro on. And you also have this little icon that pops up when you enable macro, which is the 3.7 also macro lens. So it acts as a macro lens, and you can zoom in even further. And that's pretty much how that works. But if this little icon doesn't pop up for you, so this one right here, if it doesn't pop up, what you can do is just scroll to the More tab right here and select Super Macro. And macro photos will be enabled automatically, and it immediately is zoomed in 10 times, and here, as you can see, it works pretty nicely. So that's how you enable the mode manually, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.